Hello everyone, this is Tom from Mystical Arts. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can cut off the green screen of your footage, and it's super easy to do, so let's get right into it. Okay, first of all, what you want to do is import your background clip onto your timeline. Next, you want to import the green screen footage you have above your clip. Just like so. Above your background clip. Mine isn't big enough, so let me just set it to frame size quickly. Alright. And now to remove the green screen behind this gentleman here, what you gotta do is go to the Effect tab, type Ultra Key, and drag the Ultra Key effect onto your green screen clip. Now with this clip selected, go into Effect Controls, scroll down so you can see Ultra Key effect, and under Key Color you wanna click the Color Picker tool, and just hover over your green screen and click it. And boom, just like this we cut out the green screen, and in my case it looks perfect. It should also look perfect in your case. If it doesn't look perfect, what you can do is open up Matte Generation tab and just tweak some of these settings to make it look exactly how you want it. And yeah, that is literally it. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, comment and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Check out our social media in the description below, and I hope you have a wonderful day.